We strongly recommend you watch this video. How can you ensure the safety of every worker and piece of machinery in your factory? ACTi's new 4MP zoom bullet camera, with its high resolution and AI-powered capabilities, allows you to capture every detail, even in low-light environments. First, this camera offers a 4MP resolution with a 4.3x zoom and the best low-light WDR performance, allowing you to capture every detail even in poorly lit factory environments. Whether it's during night shifts or in dimly lit warehouse corners, ACTi guarantees sharp and clear images, preventing any unnoticed security threats. Next, ACTi's AI-powered object detection helps you keep an eye on every corner of your factory. It detects unauthorized access, even distinguishing between vehicles and personnel. This ensures that only authorized individuals are in restricted areas and that factory equipment and processes remain secure. By receiving instant alerts for any suspicious behavior, you can act swiftly to prevent potential issues. Finally, the parking lot-related AI can track vehicles entering and exiting the factory site and even capture license plate numbers. This is perfect for managing employee or delivery vehicle access, ensuring that unauthorized vehicles don't enter restricted zones. Additionally, it provides alerts for any parking violations, helping keep the factory perimeter secure and organized. When compared to competitors like ACTi's VMGB-410 camera offers a superior price-to-performance ratio. Not only does it provide complete AI functionality, but it also offers exceptional resolution and low light performance at 30 to 50% less cost. When you choose ACTi, you get better technology and greater value at a lower price. Why settle for less when you can have more at a better price? We strongly recommend you watch this video because ACTi's VMGB-410 will completely transform your factory's security monitoring. Don't wait any longer. Contact us now to optimize your factory surveillance and enhance both safety and efficiency. Act today and connect with our professional team for more details.